I'm taking a walk to see Pa Chak Road, Kamala Beach. This road is known for restaurants, bars and night entertainment. It's just around the corner from the tourist area on Nightlife Road. There's lots of bars up this street. They're closed during the day. Well, we'll go check them out now that it's night time. Big Boys Burger Club. So every bar has a pool table and a few TVs. Hello! Oh, there's a pussycat. Hey puss! It's a kitty cat.
Donne-moi des clients, je regarde.
They all look pretty quiet. Don't know if they get busier later. It's 8 PM at the moment. Spicy Bamba K-Bar. They all centre a pool table. Hello. They are all pretty quiet. I don't know if they get busier later in the evenings. Let me know in the comments if you've spent more time here later at night. What's it like? Okay, so all those bars have a pool table in the centre. That's their focus. It looks like they all have drinks. Looks like they all have food. And they all have lots of girls to talk to. Don't know if they get busier later on. It's only 8 PM. I might come back another night a bit later and see if it's a bit busier. But, they don't look like they're going to get busier. Maybe they do later. I walked through here in the morning at 10 AM to have a look too. People are having coffee and breakfast, but all the bars and restaurants are closed. It looks very different without all the neon lights. It's very quiet down this street during the day. Hit that subscribe, bookmark me so you can find me again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy travelling, travel safe, and enjoy the journey.